In this video, I will show you how to control your LG Smart TV using your phone. Now this can be a very good option, especially if you misplaced your LG remote control or it is not just working again. And trust me, it works for both Android and iOS devices. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your mobile phone, and then you want to go ahead and search for the LG ThinQ app. So come over to the search bar and then go ahead and search for LG ThinQ, which is basically this app over here. Now go ahead and download and install this app into your phone. Now you can literally see mine is already installed, so I'll just go ahead and open it up just like so. Now go ahead and click on allow Bluetooth to be turned on your phone, because it basically uses Bluetooth to connect to the LG Smart TV. So go ahead and turn it on just like so. Now when the app is loaded, what you want to do is to come over to the home, and then you're going to see the add devices box over here. Go ahead and click on it, and now you want to go ahead and select TV, because we are connecting to a TV, and automatically you're going to see all of the available LG Smart TVs that are closest to you. Now go ahead and select the name of your LG Smart TV over here. Mine is literally this one, so I'll just go ahead and select it. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and enter the code that is being displayed on your LG Smart TV on your phone. So I'll just go ahead and enter the code over here, and once you finish entering the code, you want to click on OK, and automatically the LG ThinQ app will be connected to your LG Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and skip this process just like so, and then just go ahead and select your TV over here, click on OK. Now you can now use your phone as remote control for your LG Smart TV. So I can come over to this place and then just skip the tutorial, and then go ahead and click on remote control over here. Now it gives me this remote control that I can now use to control my LG Smart TV from my phone. So I can go ahead and click on home, and automatically my LG Smart TV will be taken to the home. Now over here, there are other things I can actually do with this remote control. So I can go ahead and increase the volume, and you can literally see that it works properly well. You can also go ahead and reduce the volume as well. Now using this touchpad over here, I can also go ahead and navigate through any application on my LG Smart TV. You can literally see that it actually gives me the magic remote cursor that I can now use to navigate through my LG Smart TV and do whatever I want to do on the TV, So basically, that is how to control your LG Smart TV using your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.